I bought these LED blue lights for my car. They came 10 in a packet for $15. They were supposed to fit my map light, door light, and dome lights. I own a 2017 Q50 Infiniti. This is what they look like. They're different from an ordinary bulb. Let's try them and see if they work. Hi guys, today I'll be changing the interior lights in my car. I'm gonna switch it from this color to blue. All you'll need is a piece of cloth, a flat end, push it in the corners and pop it out. Pull the bulb out. This is what it was. And then we'll be putting those LED blue lights. Pop that in. Let's try that before we put our cap on. Oh, that's beautiful. And then you just put your cap back in place. Perfect. This is beautiful. Now we're going to do the door lights. Use the same procedure. Use the cloth and just push it in between. Pull that out. Disconnect this. And then, so the bulb is in here. We need to get this out. So you can just squeeze this. The cap comes off. And then you pull the bulb out. Okay, that's hard. Okay, I just popped it out. Pull that out. And then we're going to pop in one of these again. In here. Let's connect that, see if that works. That has no power. I'm gonna switch it around. Okay, that's perfect. So all we need to do now is put the cover on and just pop that on and push that back in. That's it. I'll be doing the same for the backlight. So we're going to use our cloth again and our flat end. Put it in here. Pull out the bulb. And put in one of these. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to put the cap back on. I'm gonna be showing you guys how it look like in the night. So this is the door light, and let's turn on. Oh, see this. Oh my god, this is what it looks like. This is beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until next time, bye.